Hello everyone. This video will go through the interface of ImageChat 3 now that we have it installed. So from our screen here, let's go ahead and click Login once we've created our account. And so you can see from here, let's go ahead and jump back actually to the main screen because it was showing what I was doing previously. From the interface here, we're able to do new chat and you can do various functions there. We can see example imagery here as well and run example prompts or tests from that. And then we'll also review API documentation. So first things first, let's go ahead and click on the image down here of this bike. From the picture, I can see that the wheel has fallen off and maybe needs to get repaired. And so our example prompt here is, how can I fix this? And depending upon the speed of your environment that you ran this in, this prompt will come back in a couple seconds. And again, it'll provide comprehensive instructions on how to fix the bike. So you can see a lot of stuff going on there. Hey, remove the wheel, inspect the fork, reattach the wheel, adjust the brakes, and test the bicycle. So again, very comprehensive prompt back based on what you prompt. And you can always test other ones as well. Is this device broken? Let's go ahead and give it a couple seconds to process. The device is broken. So again, based on what you're asking for, it's very prompt driven, like you may have experienced with other models out there. Let's go ahead and jump back to the front screen. And then let's go ahead and click on this one. What are the most efficient methods for mastering Python? So you can see here, it's not just image-based. Again, what we can do here is we can also ask questions similar to what we see with other AI models, that is being able to summarize information in a very cohesive manner. Let's go ahead and let it process. So you can see all the different recommendations we have there that I know I could take from a professional standpoint, join the community or things like that. So very comprehensive what we can do natively within the interface here, and it's all via chatting. Another option here is I can actually upload my own pictures. So I have some examples here of people with guns. Let's go ahead and drag that over here. So click the plus sign down here, drag in your image again, or if you have a URL for it, you can do it too. Click upload, and then now ask the question, what is going on here? Give it a couple seconds to upload the video, review it, and process back. So you can see, hey, we see some people doing some shooting practice. Maybe, maybe not. It might be a clip from a movie where they're doing some things that are nefarious. But again, situationally, that's what we're able to surmise from that. Now, in addition to being able to do this all on images and files and other supported formats within the interface here from a chatting standpoint, like we saw, we can also go ahead and do this via API as well. So if I click on the link on the top right, it jumps me to the API guide, and I can jump down and see examples on, hey, this is how we're chatting, but I can also go ahead and do it via API and do it machine to machine instead of person to machine. So you can see here's the example on a prompt that we would set up, and the example here is, hey, look at this file and tell me what's going on. You do have to put in your API key. That's from what we did in the previous video where we used our enterprise license to invoke this for tracking purposes. So make sure that you need to have that. But hey, if you want to go ahead and do an API call, we can go ahead and do it from here. And then you'll get the response back here for, so example, hey, the person's lying on the floor doing all these different things. So again, we can do it live. We can do it via chat. We can also do it via API. In the next two videos, we'll go ahead and go through some examples of use case or vertical specific around what we can show the power of ImageChat. So we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.